64 Chevy Malibu Convertible. This car is unbelievable. Just really an unbelievable survivor, if you want to call it. One repaint 20 plus years ago. The car is just tremendously original. Just want to give you a little sound clip of how nice this 283 original 2-barrel still has a nice soft rumble to it. I think you guys will appreciate. I'll let you hear. I don't know, I just think she sounds right. It's what you would expect from a cruiser 283 bench seat. Put your arm around your daughter, your girlfriend, your wife, and enjoy this 64 Malibu Convertible. It's going to be hard to find one this nice. I appreciate your interest. I hope to hear from you.